Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the 2020, yes, I know, 2020 again. I gotta get through these, I'm sorry guys, but the last video of this group of 4 that I'm releasing this week as a return for me is going to be a 2021 diecast, so be excited. And I'm going to be doing the tuner collection of Boost. Now, Boost was not shown for more than a few minutes in the original Cars movie, but people fell in love with these cars, which I can agree with. These cars looked, well, bad as I'm not going to swear, but I probably should. So, as you can see, his name is Boost. On the back, you see the picture of the tuner cars, and you see the stock photos for each of the tuner cars, if my camera would focus. Now, the Boost has its stock photos with its Flames DJs, the original DJ without the side lightning bolts, and everybody else is the same. So, let's get into the unboxing. So, let's get into the review of this guy. Now, Boost has a bunch of nitro boosting cans on his back because he is a Japanese tuner car and he loves going fast. License plate says Boost. This is where the flames would be coming out if I had the Boost with Flames model. It says Boost on the side. Now, I never got Boost when I was younger. I only got the other 3 because I got a set that came with the other 3, and it was actually with this hauler before I remade it. Boost was always one of my favorite of the 4 tuners, and he just looked the coolest, and his spoiler, man, was just the coolest thing ever. Honestly, if McQueen wasn't in the cars, and I would definitely have been like a tuner car fan. Well, I was a Doc Hudson fan too, and the King. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. And turn those post notifications on. I've never said that. Anyway, my Instagram's feeling a little lonely. So if you guys have not followed the Fabulous95 on Instagram, you might want to go do that. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.